Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your phone. Know the MIUI version and exact model because compatibility prevents wasted steps. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources if you'll sideload an APK, and make a quick backup of your current wallpaper and home layout. You do this to avoid losing customization and to allow rollback. Then download a reputable Live Wallpaper APK or the MIUI Themes app. Keep the file and any required companion files in one folder so the next steps flow smoothly. Now install the Live Wallpaper. Tap the APK and follow prompts, granting only permissions needed for wallpapers. After install, open the MIUI Themes app or the Wallpaper Picker. Locate the installed Live Wallpaper package and preview it. You should grant overlay and storage permissions so the animation can load assets without interruption. If the animation doesn't show, force stop and restart the system launcher or reboot the phone. This refresh clears cached wallpaper data and lets the new Live Wallpaper initialize cleanly. Finish by applying the Live Wallpaper to your home or lock screen and tune any playback or battery settings. Live Wallpapers can be paused under battery saver, so make sure that's off. If the animation is choppy, reduce frame quality inside the wallpaper settings or disable aggressive power management. When things still fail, clear the launcher cache, uninstall and reinstall the APK, then reapply. This resolves most conflicts. If you still have problems, revert to your backup while you diagnose logs or seek a different compatible package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.